Yo, what is going on YouTube? Installed the fender eliminator kit today. If you could see it, it's getting a bit dark out. Took me all day to put that bitch on. I had to literally remove this, that, all that. Get all underneath there, rewire a bunch of shit. Still not perfect. Gotta get some aftermarket turn signals. For now it's just rigged up. Rigged it up with electric tape and a bunch of other shit. But yeah. Looks a lot better than the stock piece over there. Next is going to be the exhaust and the turn signals for sure. Should be visible, hopefully. It's whatever. It's just temporary. Alright. Time to go for a little ride. Oh yeah, another thing is I can't get the fucking license plate LED light thing, the LED light that's above the license plate that lights it up. Yeah, I need to figure that out because apparently I gotta splice the cord and do a bunch of other shit to get it all set up, but so I probably shouldn't ride too much at night. I don't feel like getting pulled over for that. But while it's like dusk, we're good. I live out by the country anyways. Also, she's going in the shop at the end of the month, getting new spark plugs, carb clean, a couple other things. Woohoo! It is a little bit cold! I love the way my bike looks now. Beautiful. The fender eliminator makes such a difference. You would never think it does, but it does. No, I'm just kidding, we all know it does. Yeah, exhaust is definitely next. Look how shitty that looks. Terrible. We're recording. Yes, we are.
This town reminds me of like the 1900s America. Not that I was alive back then. Well, I was alive in 1998, but... And 1999, of course. This is literally the speed limit. 30. You see my cat? Oh man.
Pictures. She probably fucking shit herself. Like the bad boy.